I'm going to cover the parking lot sale deal that they're going to be doing here in March, specifically on the socket sets that are going to be on the Quinn and Icon sockets, where you save 35% off on all Icon and Quinn sockets. Now, the one thing I have to disclose up front is we don't know yet if it's going to include the socket sets that includes ratchets in it. As of right now, it's just going to be on sets that are without ratchets. So we'll have to see when it gets closer if they happen to release the SKUs or item numbers that are the ones that are going to be included in the deal. I'll be sure to mention it if I can find out. But right now, I'm just going to cover specifically socket sets that would be part of the deal, at least that we know of so far. All right, so the parking lot sale is going to be running from March 2nd through March 5th for ITC members, and everyone else is going to be March 6th to the 8th. So you do have some time to plan out what you want to get to save that 35% off deal on the sockets. All right, the first item of consideration would be the Quinn 10-piece 1-inch drive truck service impact socket set. It does normally run at $113, and they are 1-inch drive, 6-point sockets, and 4-point. So this set does include both SAE and metric sockets, and these are the sizes that they do run in. And then they do have two other options for the 1-inch drive impact socket sets by Quinn. They're each 10 pieces. Just one is in SAE, the other one's in metric. They're each priced at $100, so you'd be able to save $35 on those. Other Quinn options is on the 8-piece 3/4 drive impact socket set in the metric. That's only priced at $50. It does range from size 26 millimeter up to 38 millimeter. And then the 3/4 inch drive impact socket set in the SAE, it does range from size 1 inch to 1.5 inches. That's normally priced at $50 as well. And this set should be included the Quinn 61-piece master impact socket set in the 1/2 inch drive. So it does come with 28 pieces of the impact sockets, of the regular size ones, and then 28 of the deep impact, 4 impact extension bars, as well as 1 impact universal joint. And this normally retails at $180. And be sure to stay to the end of the video where I will show the best one to go for with this deal. All right, so they have some icon options here on the thin wall professional deep impact socket set in the metric 1/2 inch drive. 14 pieces that range from 10 millimeter to 27 millimeter, and that retails at $70. And then they have the SAE version of the 13 piece, and does say no skips, and that ranges from 7/16 up to 1.25 inches. It also retails at 70. They have the professional shallow impact socket set thin wall in the 1/2 inch drive SAE that ranges from 7/16 to 1.25 inches. That also retails at $55. And then they have the 14-piece metric version in the 1/2 inch that also retails at $55, and that ranges from 10 millimeter to 27 millimeter. They have the Quinn 15-piece 1/2 inch drive low profile impact socket set that retails at $40. That's in the metric that ranges from 10 millimeter to 24 millimeter. And then an 11-piece Quinn SAE option that ranges from 3/8 to 1 inch. That retails for $35. And then Icon, they do have some impact swivel socket sets in both the SAE and metric. So the SAE one is 14-piece that ranges from 7/16 to 1.25 inches, and that retails at $140. And also the metric one also retails at $140, and that is a 13-piece set that ranges from 12 millimeter to 24 millimeter. Now, some of you might have missed my last Olight review video, but I want to make sure you're aware that I am doing a giveaway of 2 Olight Mini 2s lights. I'm going to be doing the drawing on March 1st for the winners. I'll put a link up above to a video of the Olight video where I did the review, and you have to specifically comment on that video to be eligible to win one of the 2 lights. So again, I'll be doing the drawing on March 1st for the 2 Olight Mini 2s. Then they have the swivel joint in the 3/8 drive Icon ones in both SAE and metric. So the metric one ranges from 10 millimeter to 19 millimeter, and the SAE is 5/16 to 1 inch. They do each retail for $115. Then they have the professional deep impact socket set 3/8 drive by Icon, and the metric and SAE. Again, they each retail for $55. And the metric is a 13-piece that ranges from 7 millimeter to 19 millimeter, and the SAE is 12-piece from 5/16 to 1 inch. Then they have the Icon standard impact socket sets, SAE and metric. So the metric is 13 piece that ranges from 7 millimeter to 19 millimeter. And then the SAE is 12 piece, 5/16 to 1 inch. Those each retail for $40 each. And then don't forget to stock up on the 10 millimeter sockets by Icon and the 1/4 inch drive and 3/8. It's the 4 piece set. That's $10. So you'll be able to save $3.50 on that. And of course, Icon has many other options of sockets to choose from. And I'll give you some examples here on the shallow sockets in the 3/8 drive, 12 piece SAE and metric. So the SAE does range from 1/4 inch to 7/8, and the metric ranges from 8 millimeter to 19 millimeter, and those each retail for $35. Then they have semi-deep sockets in the 3/8 drive, 12-piece set in both SAE and metric. And again, it's the same sizes as the other ones, from 1/4 inch to 7/8 in the SAE, and the metric ranges from 8 millimeter to 19 millimeter, and those each retail for $40. Then they have the deep sockets in the 3/8 drive. Both are 12-piece sets again. Those are each priced at $45. And they also have 1/4 inch drive shallow sockets. They're each 11-piece set that ranges from size 5/32 to 9/16 on the SAE, and then 5 millimeter to 14 millimeter in the metric. And those each retail for $28. And then they have the 1/4 inch deep sockets. Each are 11-piece sets, and they each retail for $38. And the SAE does range from 5/32 to the 9/16, just like the shallow sockets do. And then the same thing goes for the metric that ranges from 5 millimeter to 14 millimeter, and that is no skips on those as well. And then they do have the Icon deep sockets in the 1/2 inch drive, 13-piece set that ranges from 3/8 inch to 1 1/8 inch. Both of them retail for $60. The metric one ranges from 12 millimeter to 24 millimeter. Now, the other items that should be included in the socket sets are the Torx sets, because they are sockets. So they obviously have many different versions here from Icon and the 1/4 inch drive, as well as 3/8. And they also have them in different lengths too, of the long ball hex bit socket sets that retail for $35. But one will be metric and SAE. Another option from Icon is both metric and SAE individually for $45 each. Of the S2 steel bits in the 1/2 inch drive, the 8-piece set in metric ranges from 6 millimeter to 19 millimeter, and then the SAE ranges from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. And then other items that should be included in the deal are the universal socket set. So they have the Icon 1/4 inch drive 6-piece set that ranges from 1/4 inch to 9/16 on the swivel sockets, or the universal joint sockets. Those retail for $70. Then they have the 11-piece metric in the 1/4 inch drive that ranges from 5 millimeter to 14 millimeter, that retails for $130. Then they have the professional universal joint socket adapter set in the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive ones, 3-piece set that retails for $40. And then they have other socket adapters by Icon that should be included because they are sockets. The 4-piece set does retail at $17. And they also have the Icon 4-piece set of the impact socket adapter set that retails for $33. So again, that should be included because it is sockets. And they also have the triple square impact socket set by Icon 3/8 drive. These are the sizes that it does include, and that retails for $40. And this would probably be the best deal to go for, at least for the best bang for the buck. It's going to be on this Quinn 48-piece master impact socket set. It does include 20 of the regular impact sockets, and then 20 of the deep impact sockets, 3 extension bars, 1 impact universal joint. It obviously comes in a nice hard plastic case. They are 6-point sockets in the 3/8 drive, and it only retails for $100. But right now they do have an instant savings on that of $15 off, so 15% off, and that's priced at $85. So if your store is like mine, where I'm able to stack on top of the instant savings deal, you'd be able to save the additional 35% off of the $85 price. So that's nearly 50% off, or it's 45% off. It's going to be an excellent deal on this Quinn 48-piece master impact socket set. So definitely a great time to pick this one up. I imagine if stores still have it in stock, people are going to be running for this one because that's going to be the best savings of all of them. All right, that's going to be all the sockets I'm going to cover. There's probably some more that I missed, but get the idea as far as what they have available. And again, it's going to be saving 35% off on all Icon and Quinn sockets. It is in store only, so you can't go online and get it. And again, the parking lot sale does start on March 2nd through the 5th for ITC members. Everyone else can save on March 6th through the 8th. If you're not yet an ITC member, you can join for $30 a year, and you can sign up either online or in the store for that 30 bucks. But if you're looking to join the membership, I'd recommend going for the 2-year plan that they have inside the store only. That's $45 for the 2 years. So definitely better savings to go with the 2-year plan versus the 1 year. And that way you do get early access to the parking lot sale as well as other many deals throughout the year, in addition to the monthly ITC deals, and let alone the free items that they do periodically on a monthly basis. On a weekend deal, they with any purchase. So you can buy like something for 99 cents and then get the free item versus having to spend 30 bucks. So there's many advantages to going with the ITC membership. I highly recommend it if you shop regularly at Harbor Freight for both tools and supplies. So if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos. And if you're on a mobile device, please consider hyping the video, as it does help the channel. And I appreciate that support. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.